Mining rose quazt in Nigeria. This mineral have huge deposit in different parts of Nigeria. Rose quartz is a beautiful pink-colored gemstone, known as the stone of unconditional love. It has been cherished for centuries for its soothing energy, gentle color, and spiritual meaning. Quick facts. Color: soft pink, can range from pale to deep rose. Hardness: Mohs scale 7, fairly durable. Crystal system: hexagonal. Chakra: heart chakra. Birthstone: not a traditional birthstone, but often associated with Taurus and Libra zodiac signs. Would you like to know how to identify real rose quartz or where it's found? Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and follow for more.